Welcome, in front of me is a Nubia N1 Lite, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD into the device. So to start off, you need to pop open the cover, which can be done from the bottom right corner. There we go. And from here you have space for SIM and SD. I'm going to start off with the SD card. And then SIM card looks like I need the bigger adapter for it. Okay, and simply slide it on either side. Okay. Let's pop in the pin. And there we go, so SD and SIM card are both working fine. And that is how you would insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.